Good morning and welcome to a brand new day. This is your moment to pause, to connect, and to begin your day with intention. Let's greet the morning with gratitude, with joy, with a peaceful, open heart. Take a long, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale gently through your mouth. Allow your eyes to close if they aren't already. Let your body soften, your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. There's nowhere else you need to be. This is your time. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Notice it moving in and out effortlessly. With every inhale, invite in fresh energy. With every exhale, release anything from yesterday that no longer needs your attention. Inhale, exhale. Let today begin, not with a rush, but with presence. Now place your hand gently over your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, a quiet reminder you're alive, you're here, and that in itself is a gift. Think of one thing you're grateful for this morning. It could be simple: the warmth of your bed, the sunlight through your window, a loved one's smile. Let that gratitude grow inside you. Let it expand with your breath, filling your chest, lifting your mood. Say silently or aloud, "Thank you. I welcome this new day." Now, imagine the day ahead. Picture yourself moving through it with ease, with confidence, with calm. See yourself smiling, breathing deeply, speaking kindly, being fully present in each moment. Visualize small wins, good news, quiet moments of joy. Let the energy of that vision fill your body. Repeat softly in your mind, "Today, I choose peace. Today, I choose joy. Today, I choose to begin with gratitude." Now imagine a soft golden light rising with the sun. It surrounds you, warms you, energizes you. It's your morning glow, a blend of calm and clarity. It lights up your path today, inside and out. Breathe it in. And as you exhale, feel yourself aligned, body, mind, and spirit. To close, bring your awareness back to your breath. Breathe in, feel energized. Breathe out, feel centered. Wiggle your fingers and toes, roll your shoulders. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes.